Alright, this is a quick demonstration on how to access this kind of lockbox. This is the trigger to let it in. This is the reset that'll clear any numbers that are in there. First you put in the key code or the combination, and then you pull down on this tab at the top and it'll open from the top out. Key's attached to the door so you won't forget it. Now to put it back in, place the key, and there's a little tab on the bottom. Push the tab on, hook the tab on the inside, slide it up, and you have to put the key in again, the code in again to close it. So we put the code in again, and now we can pull down on this release button at the top and slide it in and let the release up, and it'll automatically reset the buttons. So to repeat that again, you have to put the code in, pull down on the top button, and if it doesn't work, bottom button clears it, put the code in, pull down on the top button, and it pulls out. To replace it, there's a little latch on the bottom. The little latch on the bottom has to go in first, tilt it up. Once you got it up, push the code in again. And then once the code's put in, you'll be able to pull the button down and it'll slide right in and lock up. That's the way to work the lockbox. Alright, thanks.